Hello, guys. Hello. We are back. We are back. Let's just look at this, refresh this, create, go live. We are back, guys. We are back. Just doing the nitty-gritty stuff. Stream this. Um, I won't be long, guys. Definitely won't be long. Copy. It's not gonna be long. Edit, paste, save. Edit, paste, save. Right, we are going to go live. Let's just do this. Let's do this. Pop up chat. Put the chat there. Pop up chat. Put the chat there. We're going for it, guys. We're going for it. Let's bring up this. Okay. Overlay. Let's do trading. Okay, guys. So let's put this back there. Let's put this back there. Put this down. Back there. Back there. Right, guys. So how's it going? My name is Sean, and I'm here with you today. We're going to be streaming some live charts, trading. Um, Remember, I'm a peg. Everything I do is only my opinion. Please remember that, guys. Please remember, it's only my opinion. Oh, Lord. 20 is there news? Should I get out of this one? I'm in gold at the moment, guys. Interesting. Very interesting. I don't like that candle. Everything was going great up until this point. Touch this, and now it's shooting down. What is this? It's into this. Bullish, bullish. Could this have been a retracement from there to there? Nah, it would have need to go a little bit deeper. Respected this, broke that. I have conviction. I think I'm going to hold this one. Um, should I go break even just in case? One of those curious questions. I'm in two trades at the moment, guys. Two trades. I'm in gold, this one, and I'm in euro, this one. Reason I got into these two trades is because, as you can see, all my spiderweb trend lines here, is that we broke a trend line for euro. Okay, so that's the first indicator. There was a higher time frame. If I look to the left, there's a bit of liquidity here. Nothing crazy to the left, so it's not the best trade ever, honestly, if I really look at it. But it did break, and I'm going for it, even though there is fair value gaps that it's respecting. So this could be a losing trade, but it is what it is, you know. We take those losses, we take those wins. So earlier, I was tracking this trade, but I needed to leave, so I couldn't do this one, which would have been break even. By here I would have gone break even, dragged up stop. So yeah, this would have been a. So if I go here now, okay, and I put that there. And that would have been a long. This would have been a long. But anyway, so this is purely, look at this. Look at this. Oh my lord. I was at the shop. I didn't even see this. Oh wow. No, Brody, confirm me now. I'm streaming. Oh, let's put that there. That there. Okay. We analyze the charts. We analyzing the charts. Okay, this needs to change from there. It might look like I'm only doing trendline trading, guys, but I'm not. I'm incorporating this into what I'm looking for. And what I'm looking for is a liquidity sweep, fair value gaps, inverse, Fibonacci retracement into the golden pocket. All those things are signs. Why is he calling me? Birdie, what's happening? Hello? Hello, Birdie? Anyway. Where was I, guys? Where was I? Where was I? Okay. So I'm going to stay into that gold trade. I'm going to stick into it. I'm just going to stay here. If it pumps up here, I might go break even. If it hovers and goes like consolidates around my entry area, I'll cut the trade. So if it sticks around here for a while, then I'll cut the trade. What's going up, going up? Theoretically, I should already be out this trade. Theoretically, I should be out this trade with over here and just taking that little bit of profit. But you know what? We're going to hold it. We are going to hold it. Here's the new trend line. It broke this one, so this goes here. Just trailing it. Okay. Sorry, guys. I am... anything there, anything there. No, no, no. I don't think my Euro trade is holding up. It's not looking good. No good. Not good, not good, not good. Look on the 5-minute entries there. Minutes. Euro. 5 minutes. So my stop loss. Oh no, I put my stop loss there. Broke the rules. Not sure why I did that, but I did that. So yeah, this trade's not looking good. Not looking good at all. Technically, I should have got in there, but I wasn't even sitting down. I just sat down, saw this, and got in. So technically, this should have been there. Either way, I think I would have still got wrecked. Lots of liquidity here, lots of target points. Look at the daily reset. It did sweep. Damn, if I look at the daily, it looks a little bit swept, inversed, came up, tested, came down. Not sure why I'm going along with this, but I am. The higher time frames do not agree with me. And looks like the trade is about to get lost. Boom, out. That's a loss. That's a loss for the euro trade. I was 50-50 about this, and I should not have taken it. Let's look at our gold now. Our gold is hovering, and I'm not too happy with it right now. If this next candle is not a green candle, then I'm going to cut the trade. So this one here, if this next candle is a red candle and it breaks this trend line, closes below it, then like here somewhere around my entry, then I will cut it. Oh, I miss all the nice ones. This one was such a good one. Damn. This would have been here. There. Stop loss there. Oh. Oh, 1:3. Oh. Oh, my heart. My heart, guys. My heart. My heart, guys, my heart. Okay. So we've missed out on this one. We would have taken that one. This one I'm not too sure. It's a bit high up. It is bullish structure. It could have been a move. I'm not too sure if I would have taken this one, but platinum for sure. So oh well. We've just got wrecked on euro. I hope it dumps. I hope it doesn't just wick me out. Ideally the stop loss would have been here somewhere, so we might still have been in this trade. I'm not sure. I'm not sure why I put the stop loss there, but I did. We did see this trade late. Ideally this would have been the play from there, stop loss there, below, and there. So we would have technically still been in here because there's the first candle close above. Stop loss decent size, so even there would have been perfect. So there was a world where we would have still been in this trade. But I hope it dumps now. I really do. As I said the other day. But, well, I should say yesterday. This looks interesting. This looks very interesting. It breaks there and it breaks there. Not really convincing. So this would not be it. This would be like that. And I couldn't take this. This could be a break and retest, even though it does break and retest inside. Guys, I don't think I'm going to stick my gold. I think I'm going to cut my gold trade. Look at it. I'm out. I think I should just exit. Yeah, I've closed it. I'm out. Almost a 1-to-1. Oh well. You can go up now that I'm out. Is there anyone in Discord? No. Okay. So not a good start to the day, guys. But that's what I said. Things like this happen. This was a typical break. We could have entered there and rode it up. Where would the stop loss have been here? So if we enter there, stop loss there. Oh hell, that would have almost been minus a 3. Oh, the missed opportunities are insane. That would have been the trade there. So oil and platinum play out exactly the way they should. I want you so high and I know you love. Let's do a little. Sure. I want you so high.
The best reward policies in the industry? 15% rewards from challenge phase.
Oh man, I want a long form. Even working.
Because a terminal.
Oh well, doesn't look like my audio is working. Might be the application that I'm on. But hey guys, if anyone's here, thanks for dropping by, thanks for being on. Let's look at the economic calendar. Let's see if anything is here. No massive news today. Oh, this breaks my heart. Oil and platinum are breaking my heart. Mm, 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 mm. Morning, morning. Why are you sending me things, Khan? There's no way. Hmm. Okay, let's have a squiz at what's happening here. What's up? What's up? How's everyone doing? How you doing? How you doing? All good. Just lost another $70 here. It's okay. We took a chance. Gotta take a chance. We cut our trade here. You know, we were up, I think 150 or something here. $150 or so. We're up here. I cut the trade there because it just didn't look right to me. So now chances are it's going to bounce here and go all the way up, exactly where my take profit was. So let's see. I'm going to leave it up like this just in case, because the Sean curse is real. So here we go. Watch the next couple of candles. Boom, 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 up. This one was just, I hope it just dumps. It would have taken me out here regardless. So I would have lost this trade no matter what stop loss I put here. This I'm okay with. If I actually look at it and really analyze this, is this an AMD setup? Let's see. 2 minutes. No, not really. This fair value gap here, I think, wrecked me. There, this fair value gap. If there was a bigger fair value gap, yeah, this could have been an AMD setup down. But hey, it is what it is. It had taken, went down from Asia, London. So it's probably going to come down here. It's going to take this level because it's the key level. So that's probably where this is going to draw down to. So I was incorrect on this one. Perfect. I hope gold, I'm incorrect on gold. I hope gold goes down now. Let's look at NASDAQ. Nazi is oh wow, gifted sub. Thank you very much. Oh, Danny got a sub. Nice. Danny got a sub. Very nice. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Okay, let's look at these charts again. I wanted to play some music, but I don't know why. It's not playing. Interesting. His desktop audio is coming through, right? That's down. Am I not just hearing it in my headset? Let me go on to I'm just going onto my profile here. I just want to see if I could hear music. Want you so hard. Thank you for the gifted subs. I really appreciate it. I can hear it. So there is background music playing, but nothing's playing in my headset. That is strange. Very strange. I want you so hard, and I know you lie. Hey everybody, thanks for being here, thanks for watching, thanks for spending your time here. Much appreciated. Don't know what that means to me. Okay, if anybody's interested, again, I'm going to emphasize this. I'm not a financial advisor, it's not financial advice, only my own Papeg opinion. And I really mean that, my own Papeg opinion. Okay? It might look like a bunch of fans, and my chart is very messy, which I agree. But there is a reason for it, guys. There is a reason. And I'm trying to learn more about trend trading and incorporate that into my strategy going forward. My strategy is simple, guys. Well, when I say simple, it's simple to me, but can be very complicated to explain. Long story short, I look for firstly, I try to look for an SMT. Okay, an SMT is basically if I go here, where is it? Okay, so if there's a bunch of candles and the tip here on this chart goes to there, so the candles are here and the candles are here, and on an opposite pair it goes like this. Okay, now what I mean by that is that, let's say on this chart is Nasdaq, which it is, right? And this one is ES. Let's first see if there is an SMT. Okay, so I can give a live example. Five minutes, 5 minutes. Here's a small one that we can look at, just for an example, okay? So if I draw this line, small one, downwards, you can see it's going down. Okay, this is ES. Now if I do the opposite pair, which is NASDAQ, look at what's happening. This line goes up this time to there. This one down. This one up. Okay. These two should be correlated. They should be the same. They should move in the same way. They don't have to be identical, but they should move in the same direction, same way. They should be close enough. So if NASDAQ is going down and ES is going up, there's something wrong. Okay. So when you see an SMT like that, that's one of the things I look for, one of the criteria. It doesn't have to be there, but it really helps when it is. Okay. The second criteria is a market structure shift. A liquidity sweep. Preferably an external liquidity sweep like here, this big area there, or this big line at the top here, or some area. Okay. Also, I try to look for like a sweep here, for example. Okay. This is the London highs, Asia highs. Okay. So this came down, came back up, swept the London highs, came down, back up, swept the London highs. That is a liquidity sweep. Okay. Then you come down, market structure shift, which is here, comes up into that area and then dumps again. So you could enter there. So you look for a market structure shift. You look for a liquidity sweep. Ideally, there's a fair value gap to the left here. So this is all like if it's all lined up perfectly. SMT, liquidity sweep from a fair value gap that's a higher time frame, like a 15 or an hour. Okay. So it's now taken the fair value gap. It's respected the fair value gap. And then it comes down and it inverses a fair value gap on the 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5 minutes. Preferably there's only one fair value gap, but if there's multiple fair value gaps, that's not a good sign. So it needs to inverse all 5 of those fair value gaps. So if it's inverse the 1, the 2, but not the 3, not the 4, and maybe it inverse the 5, that's not a strong sign. But if it's inverse the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, perfect. Okay. So and then you enter. Now you could wait after the inverse for a retest back up into a fair value gap that it just inversed. And it does sound complicated, but it's not really when you're looking at the charts for a long period of time. Like this. This inverse, this fair value gap, okay? Came down, came back up, tested it here, which is close to the inverse, and then dumped, okay? So that's one entry. The second entry I look at is again a market structure shift. Why do I keep saying market structure shift? A liquidity sweep. So for example, however, before the liquidity sweep, there needs to be accumulation, manipulation up, taking the highs, and then during the manipulation up, it needs to create fair value gap. Then it inverses the fair value gap and you're in, because then that's distribution down. Some people wait for the retest after the inversion again for more confirmation, and then they get it. So that's the second model. So AMD is the second model. Inverse fair value gap is the first, AMD is the second. The third one is Khan's entry. So the liquidity sweep, then there's a market structure shift, which is this, comes up into a breaker block area, preferably a fair value gap and a breaker block, test that area, and then bounces off, and obviously you get in, right? So that's the third model. The fourth model is this, okay, the trend lines. I'm trying to incorporate trend lines. Like, I know you're not supposed to have so many different models you trade with, but some things just don't make sense to just do one, you know? Thanks for the chats, guys. Thanks for the gifted subs. I really appreciate it. It means a lot. For the help. And yeah, guys, put it this way, I'm not gonna do a course, I'm not gonna do a Discord group, I'm not gonna do all that stuff that all these people do. I'm literally gonna come on Kick for free, and if you want to do a gifted sub, if you want to subscribe, perfect, amazing. Not gonna be a paid wall behind the information. Okay. Is the background music too loud? You guys in the chat, if the background music is fine, let me know. Okay.
You compared chicken prices, cancel subscriptions, and reuse those shopping bags. No need to look for AMA specials for data or airtime. Get real value for your money and switch to Capitec Connect, where you get affordable prepaid voice and data bundles every day, wherever you are in Mzansi. Visit a branch to get a Capitec Connect SIM today. Bank on better connections with Capitec Connect. Capitec is an authorized FSP 46669.
Guys, yeah, I knew this was gonna happen. Okay, so the reason why a short like this could work, and I'm gonna explain why. So let's say you get in there, put your stop loss above there, and you target somewhere here. The reason why you wouldn't target all the way down here is because bullish, bullish, bullish. Everything looks bullish. So you take your Fibonacci retracement tool from there to there. Let me hide this so it looks a little bit cleaner. So from there to there, this is the golden pocket area right here. Okay, let me put the fair value gap just to show you the golden pocket area. Okay, there. So a short like this is targeting this area right there. So it's a valid short. In fact, I might even just take it. No, I can't because it's on my other account. I would prefer not to take the short. If it was like gold or euro or something like that, then yeah. But I've got to take a trade of 8 short with this, so I'm not going to do it. And the reason why you would target this area is because this typically would come down to this area and then bounce off this area and then continue going up. Holy crap. Gifted subs, gifted. Wow. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Wow, 5 gifted subs. Amazing. Wow. Thank you so much. Thank you. Very cool. A lot of people just got gifted subs. Very nice. Very cool. Yeah, thank you so much for that. Appreciate it. Channel's gonna grow, guys. The channel is going to grow. We are gonna have thousands of people on this live soon. Thousands. Yeah, more peeps the clan for sure. Oh wow, a little bit of action there. See how this swept liquidity. Okay, now I'm gonna explain something quickly here. Okay, this is what I'll talk about liquidity. This here is liquidity, right? So it's now swept liquidity. Not really, actually. Almost swept liquidity. So if it comes down a little bit more, and closes here and then goes up, that'll be even better. Let's look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq has broken that trend line. However, if I look at ES, when you're thinking about taking a trade with Nasdaq, you kind of have to look at ES as well. Okay. Interesting. Just consolidation. So if a big move happens up or a big move happens down, and there's a big fair value gap and then it inverses, then we know, okay, we could do an AMD setup for this, okay? Because of all of this accumulation. Yeah. Because of that, right? So this could go up, create fair value gap, come down, close below that fair value gap, come up, test it, and then do that. Very easily. Sent Harp. Thank you. Oh, today looks like it's going to be a good stream. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. We are going to be streaming literally all day. I'm doing a couple of hours of trading. I'm doing 1 or 2 hours of gaming. And then dinner time. And then I'm going back on Kick. And we're going to stream. We're going to stream a game called Once Human. We're going to play some Once Human later on tonight. I might even go live on TikTok as well while I'm doing it. Okay, so let's have a quick look at euro again. Hopefully it's dumped. Yes, it's dumped. Okay, so we're okay with this loss. I'm actually okay with this loss. I really don't mind because we were wrong. Our analysis was wrong. It was not ready to go up yet. It needed more liquidity, which means it's coming here. At least here. Right? So this line here is where it's probably going to target. So we'll have to do that, I guess, because it did not break. So there's 2 touches. The reason why this trade looked okay to me was because we had multiple touches, right? From here, there's point A, point B, point C, point D. So that's 1, 2, 3 touches, excluding the original, right? So when it broke the trend. You're asking me if I'm wearing socks? No. I do not wear socks ever. So it broke the trend and started to move up, which is why I decided to enter that. Okay, bit of an impulse trade, which is good. Sock up. So yeah, that is where we are at the moment. Taking a loss, which is good. Well, not good, but it's okay. I'm okay with that. We took a break-even trade here, which of course is working, right? I told you. Whoever was here when I said it, I told you. Now that I closed the trade here at break-even, I said, you now have permission to go up because the Sean curse is real. I know what I'm going to do. Just for comedic sakes, let's try find it. Where is it? Let's find it. Is there? Come on. There has to be one. I'm looking for a specific type of emoji, guys. Bear with me. Bear with me. Could we use that? No. Where, oh, where is it? Here it is. You know what this means? This is the Sean curse. Okay? Sean curse means it's you either get your trade out at break even, you've moved your stop loss, it hits your break even, or it wicks you out and it goes in the right direction. Yesterday we should have put this emoji up there on the other trade, but we have it here. I know it's being negative and not being positive and everything, but I was literally live and said to you guys, this doesn't look too good. I'm gonna get out, and I guarantee you when I get out, this is what's gonna happen. So I said it. This is what's gonna happen. So there's the a little ghost. What is next? Let's look at platinum. Oof, that would have been a banger trade. Could have made over $1,000 on this one. I think I was at the shops. I had just come back when this happened. Yeah. This one would have went against us. Looks like it. We would have still been in the trade, but it looks like it would have went against us. Yeah, bro. Couple of bangers, Khan. This one would have been a banger. Gold probably will be a banger, but the curse is on, so it's not. Euro, we took a little loss there. Little $70 loss there. We need to take in consideration when we see these again that there's fair value gaps over here. So if there were no fair value gaps, this could have probably done something. It could have got high enough for me to go to break even if it had come up here. I could have gone to break even maybe, but oh well. Let's look. Silver. I need to clean up these charts, that's for sure. That's before you go. Let's go right there. Okay. And also the reason why I'm showing everyone this and trading what I'm trading and doing this type of trading is because it's so easy to look at. It's a visual thing. You can visually see the lines touching each other there and there. You can see the touch points from there, there, and here, right? So if this touches there, comes down to there, and then breaks here or breaks here, it's a potential setup. That's the strategy. Now it's obviously breaking here, which is a little bit too far away because then we have to look for the retest. So if you did this, if it closed here, for example, your stop loss would be there, which isn't that bad, and you would have to target at least these there, which is 1:1.4. But if you do the retest on the trend line there, could possibly do a 1:2. Yeah. So probably not something I'm going to take. That's silver there. Especially 15 minutes before market open. Yeah, this trend line has to change. Go to there. It's so long before you go. Thanks for the chats, guys. Thanks for the comments. Thanks for the gifted subs. Really appreciate it. Really, really appreciate it. I know Danny got one of those gifted subs. He's that guy that was playing Rocket League yesterday. Oh. So that's another thing about trading. Sometimes it gets a little bit boring. It's chilled, man. Probably be about $150 up right now. I could see it happening as well. Everything about this trade screamed at me that it was going to go up and try and take these highs. Or at least go to the trend line where it is now. It screamed at me. And that's why I took it. It was the wrong time. Typically, I don't trade at that time. It just screamed at me. Broke the trend line there. Respected this 5-minute and 15-minute fair value gap. Broke the trend line after respecting it with a good 2 green candles. One solid green candle, second green candle. So I thought, okay, let's try it. Let's go for it. Get in. Set and forget. Went to the shop. Didn't care. Went up there. Obviously, by the time I got back, it was down here somewhere. Which is fine. And then, oh well. Life happens, I guess. Oh well. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. I was hoping to put a big trade in today. I could have done that on gold. I was really thinking about doing it on gold. $500 trade on gold. That's what I was thinking. And I was keen. I was actually going to do it. And then I thought, nah, let me do it on my other account. Look at it. Look at it. Bit hard, gut wrenching to watch this. So let's watch the one we lost instead. This one, as I said, guys, is a much easier pill to swallow. I don't even care about it. I don't even care because I was incorrect. Being wrong with trading is not a bad thing. Because if you're wrong, it means you were wrong. It's that simple. But being right and getting out the trade, or being stopped at break even, or closing it at break even, or getting just wicked out and then being correct, that's the toughest pill to swallow with trading. It's not your losses. People can deal with losses and accept losses. Just means you were wrong. And with trading, if you can't acknowledge the fact that you were wrong and accept the fact that you were wrong, it's just not going to happen for you. Where people struggle is that when they see that they are right and they still lose. That's my ultimate struggle. Khan, I swallow pills, bro. I know where you put your pills. I don't think you swallow your pills. You put them somewhere else. Bro, where you put your pills, each to their own, bro. Each to their own. If you prefer to use that entrance instead of your mouth to swallow the pills, you can do whatever you want, bro. No judgment, yeah. I can't wait for the fact when I have 100 to 500 people in chat and they're continuously asking questions, they're continuously putting emojis, continuously chatting about random stuff, and I get a bunch of questions about trading. That's what's gonna really like get me excited about doing this. I like doing this. I actually genuinely do like doing this, you know, but it's being able to help people that are where we were years ago. Remember when we were years and years ago struggling, and you know, with me joining every Discord under the sun, trying to learn how to trade. I've joined so many Discords, paid $100, $100 here, $100 there to learn how to trade. When people can just go onto Kick like this for free and watch someone live trade and base their trades around their opinions if they want to. Otherwise, get an idea. Be like, oh, that makes sense. This doesn't make sense. This makes sense. This doesn't make sense. And go, which individuals? Like if somebody says in my chat, who do you recommend? Like if I start talking about inverse fair value gaps, and they go, who do you recommend to listen to for inverse fair value gaps? I'll basically have 3 people in mind, right? And in no particular order, you've got PJ Trades, you have Dodgy, and you have Lewis. But that's what I'm saying. If somebody says that market structure shift, RCT type of trading, who do you think I can speak to? I can be like, I've got a guy that pops on my lives every now and then, and he can easily talk to you guys about that type of trading, and I can recommend your name. But I'm saying if they want to be specific, if they want to, like, you know, when they go to these Discords and they just want to learn one thing and one thing only. So we can break the internet, Khan. We can literally stream almost every day, trading, talk about strategies, and talk about strategies and give away secrets that are absolutely free for people. Golden nuggets for people to improve their trading. Imagine a struggling trader, doesn't know it, doesn't have the money to go pay $100 a month, doesn't have the money to join these Discords. They can just come here, ask questions. And because I'm not an expert, I don't have the knowledge you have, you can help with doing that. Like you could literally sort out your Kick, okay? Sort out your Kick account, and we can stream together, even if it's just the trading. And we can, like, I'm sure we can join, like, do a host thing where we streaming together at the same time, whatever, and just help people. But anyway, some people might like the way I trade. Some people might like the way that you trade. That'll be pretty cool. I'm going to literally be doing this every day I can. So no matter what, I'm going to be trying to trade like this every day. It's raining here by me. Okay, I don't know why I'm stuck on gold. Let's look at another pair. Markets are opening up, 9:30. So here comes NASDAQ, here comes ES. Let's see, all this consolidation. Let's see if there's manipulation up or down. Preferably down to take this. Manipulate down, create a fair value gap, and push up. before you go. Market's open, guys. Market is open. Nasdaq and ES are going to get a bunch of volume. So are some of the other pairs like this. This would have been a 1:1 at least. Yeah, 1:1. That's it. Indicator is showing that there's a trade here on the 5-minute card. Boom. Boom, boom, bam. You know it down. Oh, before you go. Consolidation, manipulation down, left the fair value gap. Very interesting. Although it has taken that and is respecting this fair value gap. Let's look at some oil. Break, retest, fair value gap. Hang on a second here. Hang on a second. This just might be something. If this inverts in the 23 seconds, maybe we can do something here, guys. Let's just look at platinum. Ish. Two touches. Go from here. There. That would have been a break. So if that would have been a break there, let's just say we should have taken a short there. It means, are they a correlated pair? I don't even know. Let me ask ChatGPT. Hey ChatGPT, when I'm trading light crude oil on futures, and I'm trading platinum futures, are they a correlated pair? Should they move in the same direction? Let's see what ChatGPT has to say. Crude oil and platinum aren't strongly correlated. The way they...
Good question, Sean. Crude oil and platinum aren't strongly correlated the way, say, crude oil and heating oil gasoline are, energy complex, or gold and silver, precious metals. Here's the breakdown. Crude oil, CL, energy commodity, driven mostly by global supply demand. OPEC moves, inventories, geopolitics, and USD strength. Platinum PL, precious industrial metal, driven by jewelry demand, auto industry, catalytic converters, mining supply big in South Africa and Russia, investor sentiment, and also USD. Correlation status. Sometimes there's a weak positive correlation because both are commodities and can react to USD moves and global growth expectations. But structurally, they're in different sectors, energy versus metals. Platinum is much more tied to industrial auto demand, while oil is tied to energy and geopolitics. Historical data shows the correlation is usually low to moderate, not reliable enough to trade one off the other.
Okay.
In practice, don't assume CL and PL will move in the same direction.
Good to know.
Sometimes they both rise in a risk-on inflation trade environment. Weak USD, strong global demand. But they can easily diverge if, say, oil spikes from a Middle East headline, while platinum is flat because auto sales are weak. If you're scalping or short-term trading, like you usually do with your MACD RSI setup, I treat them as independent instruments. Want me to pull you a quick correlation chart of CL versus PL, say, last 6 to 12 months,
No.
so you can see the actual relationship?
Nope. Okay, so now we know that oil and platinum do not really typically have to move in the same way. Okay. Wow, look at NASDAQ. The break there, retest, boom, boom. Okay, so that could be the manipulation we were looking for. Look at the 15. Now, if, for example, from here to here is a massive SMT, like this, then we are 100%, well, when I say 100%, good chance we are going to go up. You don't have to take that to the bank, but yeah. Asia lows are here, previous daily lows are here. This is somewhere that it could generally go to before it pumps. Right now, ES is stronger than NASDAQ. NASDAQ has swept this liquidity. ES has not swept the liquidity yet, but it is respecting a fair value gap. And it doesn't have to, because NASDAQ has swept liquidity there, it doesn't always mean that ES has to come down and sweep it as well. We've seen that in one of the lives that I did. One of the first or second lives I did when I was showing my chart. I showed you, I said NASDAQ has swept, ES doesn't have to sweep. So we already know that. So let's look at the 1 minute. There's a fair value gap there. So it came up there, fair value gap, SMT. This is a risky fair value gap to take. Is there a 2 minute? No. Is there a 1 minute? No. So technically, this is the only 1 minute fair value gap. Is that a bullish bias? There is a sweep. Fair value gap here. There. Before you go, there's an inverse on the 1 minute. It doesn't look like it's something that is exactly what it has. Swept liquidity here, so there is a liquidity sweep there. It is very close to the Asia lows. That's the only thing. Is it going to hunt the Asia lows? That is the question. It has taken London lows. Is it going for Asia? And there's a good chance that it will. Let's look at gold. I appreciate the... It's there.
What you buying?
I'm trading at the moment. What's up?
I got Rocket League.
Later. That's
Yeah,
if I'm playing
How
Rocket
do,
League.
how do I connect to you?
Why do you want to connect to me?
So I can press you. So I can beat you.
But you're not good enough to play with me yet.
I am.
You've got to be a certain skill level to play with me.
I know how to fly.
Huh?
And you don't. I know how to fly.
There's Zeus. Hello, Zeus. Hello, boy. Hello, boy. Oh, you're all wet. Dog is wet.
With dog.
Okay, let's
The Rocket League.
not yet, birdie, not yet.
When?
Maybe later. Break the retest. See, the retest sometimes goes. Oof, that dog stinks. This could be interesting. Damn it. What am I doing? There. There. That would have been a good one. That means there's a break, retest. Technically would have been there. So there's a break, retest. But everything shows bearish. Only a 2-touch. I'm on Discord, kind if you're keen. Just let me know. Just let me know. Let's get rid of this. We know we lost that one. So we know it's coming to hunt this liquidity. We already drew this pink line here. Okay. So this, we know. So if it taps this liquidity and goes in here, comes up, breaks this trend line that it's creating, like that, then we could potentially look at something here. But I need it to break this liquidity down here. So I kind of need it to be here, like that. I would like it to tap this liquidity. That's me personally. Now, if it did that, following this trend line, and around this area goes boom, close above, then we can take a long. Until then, look at this downward trend. Until then. But it needs to sweep that liquidity. This here. It needs to sweep this. Look at NASDAQ. It's a bit of a chop city here. Bit of chop city. What is ES doing? Same thing. See how NASDAQ inversed the fair value gap and ES did not. There's the fair value gap. Here's the fair value gap. NASDAQ closed above and inversed and ES did not. Look at that. Okay. Hope everyone can see that. That means that there was a SMT there, SMT there. So that's why there's probably a good chance that this will dump a bit further to hunt the previous day low. Right now we can't do anything until we get to either the previous day low or the Asia lows, but I would prefer previous day lows. Let's get rid of that. Before you go. North. North, bruh. North, bruh. The bunch of consolidation here. I just want something to scream at me. I want something to scream out at me. And just say, I am here. I want you to take me. And I want you to make a lot of money off me. I know that sounded a little bit wrong, but not bruh, not bruh. Words on stream. No, I have not heard of that. I have not heard about that. Oh, no, those things have never really introduced, interested me too much. Scrabble and all that. Yeah, there's certain things I'll enjoy, certain things I know I probably wouldn't. Um, Jeepers. I mean, this is just, we could have taken a continuation down, but like, it's now got so close to the previous day low. This is what we were looking for right here. So this is now the decision time. We need it to come here. Where is it? This is the decision time. We needed to do this. Boom, boom, boom. And then reverse up. Either do that and then come back down there and go up like this. And there's a fair value gap here or here, preferably here, and then you take it boom up. Or it just takes that liquidity, creates a fair value gap here, inverses it, and we go. Or this comes down into the breaker block area like that, and this goes like that, it goes like that, and then this goes like that. So we needed to then come down, sweep liquidity, which is this previous day low, and then go up. That's what we are looking for. This is what we are looking for. Needs to sweep all this liquidity. At the moment it's testing it. Coming back up to this fair value gap, which I would assume it would respect like that. Then come down like this, then like that maybe. This is what I'm thinking, right? Of course it could literally just disrespect this fair value gap entirely and go. It could decide that it doesn't want to sweep massive liquidity. It could just boom, gone, like easily. That's the thing about trading. That's the thing about this issue. I enjoy that. I'm the godfather. Let's Scrabble. Enjoy that. Watch a lady who builds puzzles on stream and sometimes does that. Yeah. Oh. Wonder if this is taking the previous day low. Gold, eh? Interesting. Oh, boy, is that the 1 minute card? Oh, 3 minutes. Never mind. seriously going like that? This is what he's thinking. Not worried about the 5 and the 15-minute value gaps. Yeah. I mean, if it's a strong bearish candle, then we could maybe take a look at that. This Nasdaq behaving. Kind of needs to come down here. Yes. Yes, has swept that. Nasdaq has. They've both swept Asia lows. They're so close to the previous day low. Oh wow! Look at gold go. Yo. Struggling against the 15-minute thing. There you go. 5. Ed Music. Where's that emoji? Oh, it's there. Oh, that's pretty cool. Euro, cheapest. Came up, boom. So I was looking at A and B setup just now. Took the lows, touched there, broke up, retest. With this consolidation. Nice. Pick the direction. Be very nice to pick the direction. Still needed to do this. Well, so much for this setup. This fair value gaps here are just, yeah. Yeah, very impatient, very impatient. Need to go full port, bruh. It's called Full Port Wednesday. We do a little trolling. We do a little trolling. It's called we do a little trolling. Full Port Wednesday. Oh, wow. Oh, wow, wow. Why can't that happen when I'm in the trade? Okay, so just a quick recap. We are looking for liquidity sweeps, major liquidity sweeps, on various pairs. This one currently is Euro, futures Euro. And it's getting a bit chilly here now. So yeah, this could technically have been a long opportunity, but I don't know if I would have enjoyed taking this because it's too close here. So you could have done that, and done that, and gone there. But this line here, this solid line on the bottom, is a liquidity, major liquidity sweep. It needs to come down, sweep this area, and then go up. So if it did that over here and broke this trend line going up, then like it did here, by all means, you would be like there. You would do that. That would have been epic. Since it didn't do that, can't just jump in, I guess. Yeah, bro. Click the button. You're coming or what, cut? You just gotta sit in the chat. Okay, I'm taking this away because I don't know what we're looking for. Okay. I said, are you coming or are you just gonna chill in the chat? Are you pulling into Discord? Follow the lights, light and see the color. Bye, gold. Bye-bye. Bye, my lover. Bye, my friend. Well, the Godfather didn't want to take the trade. The proclaimed Godfather didn't want to take the trade. So, goodbye, my lover. Bye, my friend. Oh, it's like that. Okay. Okay, okay. Yeah, knowing you probably would have got in there, Kyle. It would make sense. Makes all the sense in the world. Okay, so this came back up into there. Swept this liquidity. Came back up there, could have entered there for a short. Has broken the trend line, but it just broke the trend line. Well, I don't know. Yeah, guys, sometimes it's a bit silent on the streams because there's not much happening. We've spoken about a lot of things, and any questions, then I can answer them. Anything you guys want to talk about, let me know, and I can chat about them. So you would say this is too late to get in time? I'm sitting here chill, bro. Let's go, let's go. Thanks for all the chats, guys. Again, thanks for the gifted subs. Really appreciate it. Thanks for everything. Trading is not everyone's cup of tea. It's not everyone's interest. So if you're here, thank you so much. If you're watching this on replay and you're just trying to learn from what we're doing, then again, take everything with a pinch of salt. This is just for entertainment purposes, really speaking, and we are giving our opinions. That's it. Don't use salt, huh? I know you love. Building up, building up. What are we going to do here, guys? So it's not as entertaining as it normally is, but I've done most of the technical analysis on a lot of these charts. Now I'm just scrolling through them from time to time, see if anything stands up. Could be. But that's better. Anybody? Hello, hello. Hello. Here comes the price action. And there we go, price action. Get ready to sell. Sell what? From where? This is rubbish. Three minutes. Sure, okay. Go back onto gold. I'm sure that's gold. Number 1 minute, that's fine. Come on, Sean, lock in. Lock in. Yeah. Not even gonna come on Discord, bruh. Yep. This thing is gonna go. What do you mean, did I take a trade? No? Oh, I guess that's the lack of communication once again. Did I take a trade? Same old, same old. Yeah, but you know the story, Khan. You send me multiple setups. Whether you get in is another story, but oh well. I guess we're not gonna do that again. You've literally sent me 2 or 3 setups, but I've gotten all of those setups. Let me see. You sent me one there, one there. Imagine if I got in the first one, would have got wrecked. You don't confirm anything, bro. You just send the setup and that's it. Are you in this trade, yes or no? I'll commit if you get in. If not, you know the story. You're in. Screw it. Let's go. Let's go then. Buckets. Buckets, let's go. Live once. Setup is not the same as yours, I bet you. Yeah, bro. Told you, we're not playing games anymore, bro. Not playing games. We in, we in. We in, bro. We're not playing games anymore. It's either GG or we're played. GG, we're paid. I would have loved to get in earlier. Up here. What are you talking about here? Nine, six. Like that. Oh well. It's do or die. We either it's an epic trade or it's a wreck. Plus, card, you saying did I get into a trade? Like, you can see what I'm doing live, bruh. I'm not hiding anything. I'm not saying I'm taking it on my MetaTrader. So you can see if I'm in the trade or not. I know you're not hiding anything. I'm saying I'm not. You asked me earlier, did I get in? Am I in? And I'm literally live trading. So, no, I didn't get in. You can see if I'm in or not. Come on, bruh. We do a little magnet. Oh, what's happening now? Why can't I turn this? Let's just do that. How do I turn this thing? It's not letting me. It's not giving me the option. There you go. We pull it down with the magnets. It's called magnet trading, guys. I'm coining the term magnet trading. We do a little magnet trading. It needs to pull it. Come on. We do a little magnet trading. What other emoji can we help it along with? We do a little magnet trading. I want you so bad, and I know you know. Stickers. Come on, where's the money emoji? The dollar. Am I blind? Why can't I see it? Is it this? What is this? No, that's a map. Never mind. There it is. Come on, come on. We do a little magnet trading, guys. Let's get the likes going. Let's get the comments, the emojis. Put the money emoji in the chat, guys. Let's go. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Let's go, guys. Let's go. We need some vibes in this chat. We need to encourage this to go down. We need it. This is the one, guys. This is the one. That's it. That's it. We need the magnet trading. We need the magnet trading. Come on. Come on. What is my deficit right now? Trader baits. Sure. We need the magnet trading. Nah, bruh. We just need the magnet trading to work. Come on, bruh. Hello. Is the mark low? Filters gain. I can increase it a little bit there. Hopefully that's better. Come on, come on, come on, come on. This is the one. This is the one. This is gold. Don't do us dirty, gold. Follow the trend line all the way down. That's all you need to do. Oh, you're talking about my account. I thought you were talking about the mark. It's because I took a loss, bro. I told you yesterday I took a $280 loss. And I've taken a couple of small losses here and there. What do you mean? That's why I'm saying. This one needs to be a banger, bro. Even if I just get back to normal with this one, it's fine. Come on, magnets. Come on, magnets. Let's go. Let's go. We need the hype, and the chat needs to be hyped up. We need the hype. We need the hype. Wait, where's the magnet emoji? Why don't I see it? Oh, I just deleted someone's message there. It wasn't on purpose. I was actually just trying to... I deleted your message, card. Sorry. Oh, wow. The hype. That's how... Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Come on, come on. What are we looking at time-wise? We still good? We still good? 10:36. Not bad. By 11, this must be done. Done, done, done and dusted. Yeah, it must take Asia lows, bruh. You think we'll go break even at Asia lows? No, your 1-to-1 is Asia lows. My 1-to-1 is like here somewhere. My stop loss is too big. If you were on Discord, we could have taken it together at the same time, but no, somebody doesn't want to come on Discord. You know I'm trolling you, can't? Come on, bruh. Come on, bruh. I got an alert for this. Yo, look at that. I wasn't really going to take that trade, but yeah, you're right. Break, retest. Nazi, just nothing happening. Gold. Gold needs to not do us dirty. What do you mean, what's my profit? You can see on the screen what my profit is, bruh. How's a circ? Now I know you trolling. Aye, boy, I'm on gold, bro. What do you mean other charts? Look. You think we should get out? pull it. Okay. Close. Take a $60 loss. You probably got a break-even trade. Typical. 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 Am I wrong? So easy to trigger these days, bruh. Jeepers. Come on, bruh. Don't fall into the trap every time, bruh. Come on. Come on. You need to control your emotions. What hit did I take there? I think it was a 60-something dollar hit. What was it? Why does it not say? Filled. I think it was like a 60 or $70 hit. Something like that. Ah, it doesn't show me nothing, bro. Shows me the total here. Doesn't show me the actual loss amount. Wait, why is my chart? I want you so high, and I know you lie. Yeah. Bit of consolidation there. Let me look at some other charts where I could have missed the trade. Just to round off the day. No, it's only 2 touches, so it's not convincing. But it's at the right place. Nah, not there. Here's where I wanted it to come down to this level. Yeah. Take that and then do what it just did right there. If it had come down and swept the liquidity here and over here, did that, boom, I would have been in. 100% would have been in. So that's what I was waiting for. Nah, bruh. Nah, bruh. You can't kill that guy. He is immortal. Pick up. Oh, do. What do you mean, swear in the chat? Swear, do whatever you want to do, bruh. I don't care. If other people are sensitive about swearing, then I think that's their problem. Obviously, don't take it to the next level, but yeah, you know what I mean. So yeah, this would have been a good trade. Euro would have been a good long if it had behaved and done what it needed to do. Gold is gold. Oh well. It could very well just dump. But if it breaks this trend line, it could very well just shoot up. Look at how many touches. 1, 2, 3. Was that a touch? Okay, let's get rid of these because they're no longer really valid. There. Almost 1, 2, almost 3, 4. Multiple touches here. So if it breaks this trend line, what do you think about a long, bruh? What do you think about a long? Especially if it comes down, sweeps Asia low. Let's get rid of this. Let's get rid of this. Yeah, bruh. Balls of steel. 440. I think it was 440 on the line, bruh. Balls of steel. Look at all of these rejection candles, bruh. I'm telling you, if it breaks this trend line, we could potentially see a long. Do you agree? Do you concur with my Papeg assessment? It is bouncing. It needs to take this though. Honestly speaking, if it shoots down, takes Asia lows, then we could potentially see a break to the upside. What you think, bruh? What you think? Because if it breaks there, without hitting the Asia lows, it's a little bit more riskier. But it would look
Yeah.
like that. And target
Good
there.
assessment.
Very risky. Because it has not come down to take this level yet.
Must come down.
Is there a higher time frame fair value gap there? I doubt it.
No.
Look at the 1 hour.
No.
Tapping the top, but not really.
What you all about?
I
What you
don't know,
say?
bro. I don't know.
I don't know.
I want you so bad, and I know you lying.
Can you hear me? Yo. Can you hear me? Hello? Ôn. Oh.
Can I hear you?
Can you hear
Are you
me?
on Discord?
Yes.
Boo. No, I can't. Can you hear me?
Yeah. Yes. Hello.
I think something's wrong with my headphones. Give me a second.
Hello.
That doesn't look healthy.
Hello. Yo.
Hello?
Hello.
Anybody there? Hello,
Ja,
hello.
mehr, bro.
Oh, I had my headphones volume down all the way. I wonder.
Jesus.
You still got that voice changer, bro? What the hell's wrong with you?
What's wrong with me? What's wrong with you?
You like the 5 contracts, huh? Yeah,
Well, I'm just greedy.
I'm a greedy, bro. Greedy. Need to make money. But
Not that way.
what do you think about this gold long if it breaks?
Yeah, this out of better do PM session. This shit.
Might trade this if it breaks on my MetaTrader. Not trade of 8.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, bro.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
Interesting. Oh, gold's still nothing.
Not gonna be.
Why you're not gonna jam anything?
I'll have to be up early.
You do that, bruh. No worries.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we almost did it, bruh. We almost did it.
Oh, you would be up lots of money. Ooh.
You know, it is what it is.
It is what it is. And I told you, Asia low. Asia low.
So why did we pussy out then?
I'm going to bed.
What's so funny?
You, bruh. You are funny, honey.
No, it's still shit market structure. You like this voice, huh? Hello, daddy.
Me,
You're
the one who likes all these voices.
Oh, give it to me, daddy. Who's playing music?
It's background music, bruh. Is it too loud?
Oh, evil. No.
So it's making you fall asleep, huh?
No, I'm tired, sick. Yeah, I went to do my graduation. I went to shoot. You're supposed to do 2 different guns. Did the one gun. Then he said, you know what you're doing. Go away. I said, okay. I was in there for like 5 minutes. Yeah, supposed to be till 9 p.m.
Okay. I might take a stab at Euro.
You do that.
I am. I was looking at taking a long on Euro. Now it's bounced off there. So where was my entry? There. Somewhere there. Somewhere around here. I only went 0.5, so we'll see how this one plays out. Not really. Look at the distance to Asia highs, bro. Can you imagine it getting there today? Almost 1:10. Market
What is
structure
that?
shift into a fair value gap by the breaker block. Go.
Yeah,
Or
but look at the trend.
I know the trend is there. It broke the trend line, so we'll see.
No. Look at the trend.
I know where the
Real
trend.
trend.
The trend is down. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. I know the trend is down.
Trading the retracement.
Yes.
No good. No good.
No good.
Your teacher taught you nothing.
No good. It's
Look at
a
the
shot,
hourly.
bruh. It's a shot. Probably come up here, to be honest.
Shot of what? Your mother's milk.
No. Don't get
Why are you
disrespectful, bruh.
shooting for you?
Come on, bruh.
Aibo.
Don't get
Was
disrespectful.
that disrespectful?
You know.
You used to drink your mother's milk before?
You
When
know.
young?
You know. Come on, now,
Iron
bruh.
protein.
Keep it tidy, bruh. Keep it tidy. Come on, bruh.
Iron protein, bruh.
No. Keep it tidy.
Aibo. I would drink my mother's milk.
You do that, bruh. You do that.
She's not pregnant, so I can't.
I don't know why you
Please
even
look at the
bringing this
spider
up.
web.
Perish. Euro, let's see.
Yeah, bro. Enjoy your, what is it, afternoon.
Yeah. I'm gonna stream later on. You'll be sleeping. I'm gonna finish the stream sometime soon, and then I'm going to chow dinner, and then I'm gonna start another stream on playing Once Human.
Alvin.
I'll message him. He'll probably be on, but I'll message him.
Oh, I like to play.
Well, it's just
But you hated the game.
No, every second day I'm gonna do that. So every day I'm gonna stream this, and every second day I'm gonna play Once Human in the evening.
Wow, Once Human.
Because it's a long ass game.
What server are you on?
The winter one.
Yeah, but what server?
You're asking. I have no idea. I have to go in the game and see.
You don't remember these things, huh?
No, not really. We do a little magnet.
Looking at what?
Do a little magnet trade.
You fall into this trend line shit.
It's just, I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know either. Move the trend line. I'll move it again and again and again.
And again, and again, and again.
Mm-hmm.
A lot of times I'll take these trades on my other account, MetaTrader, and I won't take these on Trader8. And if I really see an A+++ setup, or if you and I both take a trade, then I'll do the Trader8 one.
Yeah, bro. Gold's gonna bump. You know? Bum, 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 bum.
See, it came
We're
down,
taking that
touched
trade.
that, swept the liquidity. Now, if it breaks this
Below
trend
is-
line, if it closes above,
Mm,
then I can look at a long.
interesting. Okay. To me, I want to see higher highs and higher lows. Then I'll take a trade. Because this, too many wicks. Ooh, breaking your trend line, huh?
Yeah, if it
What a
closes above.
trade. Yeah, what a trade. You?
I don't think that's.
No, that's your strategy, bruh. What a trade. Full port.
Wait, that's a 3-minute. What am I looking at? I know you take the 5.
Oh.
I almost took it,
Well,
bro, and I realized I was looking at the 3 minutes.
if you go to the 3-minute, 3, 1, 2, 3, it's creating a fair value gap. No, no fair value gap. Fair value gap. Yeah.
4.
No. 3.
I
A
could
fair
take a
value
shot,
gap
actually.
is 3 candles, not 4. To me, hasn't broken any high, hasn't made market structure shift. You do what you gotta do. What happened to your music? I've muted the stream. Did you get an email?
No. We both know I'm not
Bible.
getting an email. Have you started your 300k challenge yet?
No. It's a backup. Because I screw up this $1 million challenge. You know? Then I'll downgrade.
I'm in, bruh.
In what?
In this trade.
Futures?
Not. Forex. We have broken the trend line. Stop losses below the safety line here. Oh, it would be nice to put a limit order on that line. Oh, it would have been even better. Both my trades are in negative. Ain't that a bitch?
Which one? Tell
Yeah.
me.
This one. And this one.
Gold and euro.
Euro.
No good.
No good.
Euro.
Technically, I should get out of euro because it's broken the trend line.
Markets are shit. So slow. When's the next news? This week. It's tomorrow Thursday. Jesus. This day. Ooh, lots of news. The MOA. Oh, the GDP growth. Oh no. Ish, 10 o'clock too. Tomorrow gonna be good. Gonna make millions. Full port. Okay.
Yeah, bro. We'll football tomorrow. I'll put it as my title on
Do it.
Kick and YouTube. Risking
Oh.
entire account for trading today.
Yeah, bro. Must do it.
Risking entire trading account today. That's
So
gonna be my
8:30.
title.
8:30 and 10 o'clock. 9 o'clock, 10 o'clock. Ish. Saddam Hussein is gonna blow up. Boom. If you sing the gold song, gold.
Gold. Gold.
Remember that guy?
I like was cooked. He puts on the
Yeah, I
glasses.
like this. Oh, yeah. Wonder if he still streams.
I don't know. Funny, remember his name, Lorenzo, I think it was.
Yeah, the VPR, the VPC, the value area range, the value area low mid range,
Oh, I
high
just got
mid
wrecked.
range. Shit. Look at that. What happened?
Euro wrecked me.
Bible. But your stop losses there?
It
How
looks,
you get
it
wrecked?
looks different on the futures chart versus the forex chart.
Yeah.
Plus, there was
Fuck.
a spread, slippage, or whatever.
At least it's giving you Vaseline for slippage,
Yeah, bro.
you know?
Lying me in my ass today.
And yesterday,
Every day.
oh, stupid market. We go to the fresh food market. Gonna get some lekker chow. What you eating for dinner?
Cottage pie.
Yeah. Who's making that?
Me.
I will tell you,
Mince.
madam, you want some
I'm gonna
steak.
make some mince. And I'm gonna make some mashed potato. Some mushrooms.
Mash that. Make it
Cottage
silky
pie, bro.
smooth, huh?
Yeah, cottage pie, bro.
Yeah.
Yummy, yummy.
Yeah.
What do you mean, yeah?
I gotta go to the toilet and quickly. Hang on a minute. Yeah. Oh shit. Haven't been to gym for like 2 weeks. So sick.
It's unacceptable, bruh. Come on.
Unacceptable.
Yeah, bro.
I think I like this voice. I'm gonna keep it.
No, bro.
Very
This
nice.
voice is shit.
Bible. It's dark.
Shitty,
Very
shitty.
sound.
Shitty, shitty.
You just like girly voices.
Shitty, shitty.
What do you want? A girl voice?
No, even worse.
Like this? They are.
No, bro.
You like that. Give me daddy.
No, bro. That's.
What about this one? Hello?
No, bro.
Brother, can you hear me?
Unfortunately, yes.
What about this one? Hey, lemonade. Sounds good.
And this one.
Sounds stupid.
Yes, shit.
Sounds stupid.
Hello?
Yeah,
Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
You don't like my noises.
It's just irritating.
Just irritating.
Yeah,
Fuck
bro.
you.
Yeah, bro.
Fuck you. What if I sounded like this?
It would be irritating.
That's not very nice.
Yeah, but it's true.
I thought they sound careful.
They sound unique. But
Yeah.
shit.
See? Oh, shit. You motherfucker. Nilani? Want some chow? Not chow.
Who that?
You like chow? Probably you don't like my voices.
They're not bad, but it's just, I don't know, a little bit irritating.
What? Tell me. Go on. Who's... Aibo. Irritating.
No, man.
Yo.
Yeah, bro.
Okay, well, seems I'm irritating you. I'm gonna go to bed.
Yeah, go to bed. Hurry up, go to bed.
Never met someone so mean.
I'm glad you think it's funny.
Yeah, bro.
I know your true feelings.
Can't even take you seriously with these voices, honestly.
You're not even a friend.
These voices.
What's wrong with them? Huh? Tell me. What's wrong with these voices, Machana?
Khan. Where is this gold? This gold needs to go. Did it sweep properly? Or did it just wick? Damn, it just wicked. I didn't even look closely enough. Ah, messed up again. I was hoping for an actual proper liquidity sweep, but I got too excited. If it goes up to break even, I might even just get out. I don't know. Oh, excuse me.
Gold. Respect to that fair value.
Hmm?
Can you hear me?
Yeah.
Said it respect to that fair value gap. Lekker man, I'm off to bed.
Lekker.
Enjoy your trading. Maybe tomorrow I'll get a trade. Oh, shit market. Oh, look at the long now going for gold. Ooh, smiling, huh?
Yeah.
Lekker man.
Lekker.
Cheers.
Cheers. Let's just get this down. Let's have an let's just have a trading stream. Let me change the title. Go on to my live stream, edits, paste. Today we're just going to do a trading stream. Edit, paste. It's been mostly pain, if you look at the title. Been mostly pain today. Mostly pain. Let's put the background music on. Let's see if this plays out, guys. We have a clear break of the trend line coming down on the 5 minutes, I should say. 5-minute trend line. Multiple touches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on and so on. So we have a multiple touches break. It swept liquidity. Unfortunately, it didn't sweep it with a body for 1 minute. So normally what I'll do is I'll go to the 1 minute. And if one of these bodies had closed below and then had come up, oh, would have been much better. Okay. Exactly what I said, even when it was up here. I said if it starts moving down, it's going to come to this line here and it's going to reject off it. But I wanted a clear liquidity sweep. And what happens was, this is the upward trend line. This is the downward trend line. See how they're meeting there? It's close to the end of the 2, where the triangle end is. Ideally, here would have been a better entry, but I took it up there. So my stop loss had to be bigger than it would normally like to be. So that is the reasoning for the actual trades. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Kick W, kick W.